Hello everyone! Today, I am going to show you the top best Mido watches for men 2024 based on specifications. All the watches product buying links are given in the video description. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon for my new videos notification. Number 5. Mido Multifort Chronometer Blue Dial Watch. Stainless steel case with a stainless steel bracelet. Fixed stainless steel bezel. Blue dial with luminous silver tone hands and index hour markers. Dial type, analog. Automatic movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, screw-down crown. Case size, 42 millimeters. Case thickness, 11.99 millimeters. Bandwidth, 22 millimeters. Water resistant at 100 meters. Functions, date, day, hour, minute, second, Swiss made. Number 4. Mido Commander Big Date Swiss Watch. Stainless steel case with a two-tone silver and rose gold tone stainless steel bracelet. Fixed rose gold tone bezel. Dial type, analog. Automatic movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Case diameter, 40 millimeters. Case thickness, 11.2 millimeters. Bandwidth, 20 millimeters. Water resistant at 50 meters. Functions, date, day, hour, minute, second. Number 3. Mido Ocean Star Green Dial Men's Watch. Silver tone stainless steel case and bracelet. Unidirectional rotating green ceramic bezel. Green dial with silver tone hands and dots hour markers. Dial type, analog. Automatic movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, screw-down crown. Case size, 42.5 millimeters. Water resistant at 200 meters. Functions, date, day, hour, minute, second, Swiss made. Number 2. Mido Ocean Star 200C Automatic Green Dial Men's Watch. Silver tone stainless steel case with a blue fabric strap. Unidirectional rotating blue ceramic bezel. Black dial with silver tone hands and index hour markers. Dial type, analog. Automatic movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, screw-down crown. Case size, 44 millimeters. Case thickness, 13.3 millimeters. Bandwidth, 22 millimeters. Water resistant at 200 meters. Functions, date, GMT, second time zone, hour, minute, second, Swiss made. Number 1. Mido Ocean Star GMT Watch. Mido enriches its Ocean Star collection with a version equipped with a very practical GMT function. It clearly displays the time in 2 different time zones, home time and local time. On the back of the watch, equipped with caliber 80, which offers a power reserve of up to 80 hours, Mido has engraved the time zone indications. Case material, steel. Case diameter, 44 millimeters. Movement, automatic. Water resistance, 200 meters.